You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Today we're visiting Rome, the Eternal City, where history flows as freely as the water from its magnificent fountains. In this video, we're embarking on a journey to discover some of Rome's most iconic and historically rich aquatic masterpieces. First, the breathtaking Trevi Fountain. This Baroque marble is a true testament to Roman artistry and engineering. Legend has it that if you toss a coin into its waters, you're guaranteed a return trip to Rome. Next, we move to the vibrant Piazza Navona, home to Bernini's spectacular Fountain of Four Rivers. This masterpiece represents four major rivers of the continents known at the time. It's a stunning example of Baroque sculpture in a vibrant hub of Roman life. From the grand narratives carved in stone to the refreshing spray of water, Rome's fountains are more than just decorative. They are living testaments to artistic genius, engineering prowess, and centuries of history. Join Explorer Vacations and immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of Rome's famous fountains.